In 2024, QuickBooks made a major shift that caught many small businesses off guard. Popular desktop products like QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Premier were removed for new users, and businesses were increasingly directed towards QuickBooks Online. This left longtime desktop users asking one critical question: do I really need to move to QuickBooks Online, or is QuickBooks Desktop still a viable option? To answer that, it's essential to understand how these two versions actually differ. QuickBooks is one of the most widely used accounting software solutions in the world, developed by Intuit. It helps businesses manage income, expenses, invoicing, tax preparation, and financial reporting. Over time, QuickBooks has evolved into multiple platforms, with QuickBooks Online becoming the company's primary focus, while QuickBooks Desktop continues to support more specialized accounting needs. The two versions of QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting platform. There is no software installation required. You access it through a web browser or mobile app. Key features of QuickBooks Online include invoicing and payments, expense tracking, bank account integration, real-time financial reporting. 2. QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Desktop is the traditional version of QuickBooks that is installed directly on a computer or server. It offers more advanced accounting capabilities, including detailed financial reporting, advanced inventory management, job costing, industry-specific additions. Key differences that matter. When choosing between the two, several practical differences stand out. Access. QuickBooks Online can be accessed from anywhere. QuickBooks Desktop is mostly tied to a specific computer or network. Updates and maintenance. Online updates are automatic. Desktop updates are manual. Features. Online focuses on simplicity, automation, and integrations. Desktop provides greater depth and control. Pricing model. Online uses a monthly subscription. A desktop typically involves annual or higher upfront costs. These differences directly affect flexibility, scalability, and ease of management. Which one should you choose? Choosing between QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop depends on how your business operates. QuickBooks Online is better suited for small and growing businesses that need remote access, automatic updates, and low ongoing maintenance. QuickBooks Desktop is better suited for businesses with complex accounting requirements, such as advanced reporting, detailed inventory management, or industry-specific workflows, where local data control is important. There is no single best option, only the right solution for your business needs. QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop share the same foundation. Both support core accounting tasks such as income tracking, expenses, invoicing, and reporting. Understanding these differences allows businesses to choose the version that fits their workflow, scale, and long-term goals without unnecessary disruption. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more videos on business software, finance, and professional tools.